What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Crypterium, which has pumped up and over 25% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 0.08633 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to pump higher, where is it heading to next, and why has it pumped so much in a short amount of time? As you can see, it's literally pumped up nearly 30% in a space of about 3 to 4 hours, and again, most of the day it was fluctuating around 6 cents and out of nowhere pumped up, nearly hitting 9 cents, guys. So is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? Is what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Crypterium go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is up just under a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we do have Crpt as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour, even though it has dropped just about 2%, we can see overall it has pumped up 26%, and it did hit 9 cents about an hour or two ago before it started dropping in value. Over the week, a huge 52%, a major increase here last Saturday, as you can see, hitting nearly 11 cents, going up 95%, and then dropping back down in value over the last few days, and then right now pumping again. And over the month, it has gone up 55%. We can clearly see it has been quite volatile over the last couple of days, but overall it has been moving quite positive, which is all that matters. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 75%, making it just about $2 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. However, this is only the start. I am expecting the trading volume to pump up even higher, and the trading volume itself to go higher as well over the next couple of hours, as we do see more and more people looking into the project, investing into it, selling it, and in general just trading the crypto, as it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So we are going to see more people getting involved with this crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Crypterium, which is here in purple at just over 6 cents. However, we can see it trading out much higher value here in red at over 8 cents, nearly hitting 9 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and yes, they are looking quite steep as well, heading upwards. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. What I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, is for Crypterium to go for an overall drop in value, potentially heading back down to around 7 cents is what I'm expecting in the early hours of tomorrow. But again, that does not mean it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up higher than 9 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value in the late hours of today and in the early hours of tomorrow, down to around 7 cents in target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, it is not too realistic. So over the next couple of days, so let's say over the next week or so, towards the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting Crypterium to be trading at just above 7 cents in target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, that is still lower than where it is at the moment. So yes, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Crypterium over the next 7 to 8 days, but again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit a green day here and there in between, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So guys, do expect an overall drop in value from Crypterium over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, at this point they are not looking too steep, so meaning it's much more realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, let's say by mid to late September 2023, I'm expecting Crypterium to go through an overall increase in value, potentially heading over the 10 cents target, heading up to around 15 cents is where I'm expecting Crypterium to be trading at in September 2023. So approximately in 2 months time, we should be seeing it doubling up in value from where it is at the moment. However, that is only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side and if Bitcoin manages to pump up over $35,000. However, guys, this also depends on how, if there are any crashes or pumps or anything like that. This can have a major impact on the crypto market. If I am able to predict such thing, such as a major pump or a crash or anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far so good for the long term. But for the short-term traders out there, if you are looking to trade it right now, I would be careful. As I did mention, I'm expecting it to drop in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. So for the short-term traders out there, make sure your risk management is on point, especially when it comes to short-term trading. It is a very, very risky time, especially when a crypto pumps this much in a short amount of time. It is likely for it to drop back down in value. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Crypterium, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys expect Crypterium to be hitting in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.